All right, so we're gonna get started here. I just fired up the Home Assistant yellow. Did a factory reset on it, so it'll take a couple of minutes here. I am gonna probably pause this video and then we'll get started. All right, here we go. So now we can get started. Name kernel dump and simple password, and we'll create the account. Cool, this will be, I don't know, we'll call this Denver. No, call it, yeah, Denver's good. Doesn't matter. All right, that's pretty good. Currency, dollar. All right, I'm not gonna do any of this stuff right now. Oh look, it found Bluetooth, it found an iBeacon tracker, it found itself, and oh, that's what it found. Cool, now we got our basic setup. There are no devices. Awesome, so this is it. This is basically it. You know, you can look at notifications, it found some new devices. I can go to settings and go to integrations, and I can see the integrations that are there. From here I can see the iBeacon tracker, the yellow itself. Basically this doesn't do anything yet, so I'm going to get this going so that I can set up. What I'll do next is I'm going to show how I set up my DconZ. I'll do a separate video just for setting up the DconZ, and then I'll do another video for what a tremendous pain in the ass it is to set up the Google Nest using their pain in the ass API. I'll do a whole video walkthrough, okay?